Hey guys, today we're going to be going over 3 methods to increase performance on a computer. First, we're going to be going over clean booting. Then, we're going to be looking at DDU, display driver uninstaller. And finally, we're going to be looking at WinDirStat. Before we get into clean booting, I just want to explain it a little bit in detail. So basically, if you have programs that are opening when you boot up your PC, that can sometimes slow down performance, take up resources, and this basically stops most programs from opening when you start up and can help, clear up some of those resources for other tasks you want to do. First, you're going to go over to msconfig, which you can get to by clicking Windows and R at the same time and typing msconfig right away and then clicking enter. Then you're going to want to hit services, click hide all Microsoft services, click disable all, and apply. Next, you're going to head over to Task Manager, which you can find by just typing in Task Manager in your search bar, clicking Startup Apps, going through here and disabling all the ones you think you might not need. Before we get into DDU, I just want to have a quick little tidbit. This is for if you have installed a graphics card before, or just recently upgraded your graphics card. This can help clear some of those old drivers out and increase performance in that way. Next, you're going to want to go to your browser, click the link in the description for display driver uninstaller, and then once it loads, you're going to want to click download mirror USA. This will take a second, but once it's fully downloaded, once you have the zip folder installed, you're going to want to extract it by right clicking the folder, clicking extract all, then extract. It should automatically open. If not, just open the new folder that was created. Click DDU, click extract. Then you're going to want to go to the new folder that was made and open this. Open this. So first, you're just going to want to click OK on this. Close this out. Click OK. It is recommended that you boot this in safe mode, which you can do in the BIOS, but we're going to not go over that right now. You're going to want to click GPU, and this will automatically select what you have. If not, choose which one you have. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you choose NVIDIA, AMD, so on and so forth. Then you're going to want to click clean and restart. I'm not going to do this on camera because that would stop the recording, but you understand what I mean. Before we get into WinDirStat, I just want to explain that this is basically to show you what is taking up space on your hard drive. So if you don't want to set this up, it's not really a big deal. It's just to help clear up space on your computer. Next up, you're going to want to reopen your browser. Click the link in the description for WinDirStat. Go to that website and click zipped executables, windirstat.zip. Click the blue hyperlink. Open your folder. Extract this. Click extract. Should automatically open. Open x86 if you're on Windows 11. Then open this program. You should see this. What you're gonna want to do is click all local drives and then OK. Now this may take a while. It's going to take quite a bit of time, but once it's finished, you'll see the final product. Now personally, this took me around 10 minutes to get to this page, and it might take you longer, but once you're here, you're able to see a visual representation of what your storage looks like. And you can see the bigger chunks are going to be these big games, like this one's Oblivion. And you can look through all these files to see if, hey, like, do I have something I don't need on here? Because sometimes if something's taking up too much storage or space, that can slow your computer down a little bit. Personally, I would just go through this. If you want, you can find things that you didn't even know you had installed. Like, I forgot I had that game installed a while ago, and some of them, it might impress you how big some of these games are when you don't really look at them that way. So yeah, just give this one a look if you have the time or really care enough, and yeah, you might find something you didn't know you had installed. Well, that was 3 different methods that can probably help you increase your performance on your computer. If that didn't help, please let me know. If you have any other questions or any tutorials you'd like me to make, feel free to ask in the comments. Uh, I'm willing to research most things if I think I can help you guys. Thank you.